Yes, sir. What's going down with our YouTube, man? Look, we press record. We in the wife beater. You know what I'm saying? Got my little workout shirt. So look, today's leg day. Legs and back. I just want to get on YouTube not only to stay consistent, but just to say, look, man, I hope everybody out there is staying motivated. And if they ain't motivated, just stay disciplined. Cause discipline overrides everything. Right now we at the gym. Don't think we ain't slacking. We in the gym. We working hard. And listen, man, right now you gotta do whatever it is that you need to do. So later on you can do whatever it is you want to do. So you want to look good, you want to be healthy. You gotta hit this gym. You gotta eat right. You want to go get that master's degree. You gotta study. You gotta learn. You gotta study. Then you gotta learn, right? Then you know what I'm saying? It becomes success, right? And anything that you want to do, you want to become a pro boxer. You got to run the miles. You got to jump that rope. You got to build endurance. You got to, you know what I'm saying? You got to, slip the right way. You know what I'm saying? Get those combinations on point. Slip. Turn out after every punch, or you know what I mean? There's so many things that you have to do in order to get where you need to be. And I just want to come on here just give some motivation out there for people that, like myself, sometimes don't feel motivated. That's fine that we feel not motivated. That's cool. It's normal. We're human. But the thing that separates us, right, is that some of us are disciplined and some of us aren't disciplined, right? For a long time, I was not disciplined. And that's what I was lacking, was discipline. I was lacking a lot of motivation. I'm still lacking motivation. But the only thing that matters is that I'm disciplined and I'm willing to come in this gym and work hard for what I want. And I don't know what the future holds for me, but whatever the future does hold for me, what I've been thinking is, like I said, this video is nothing about just motivation, success, and just trying to just clarify what I feel that that discipline can help you reach, right? Or yeah, this video is gonna basically just explain that discipline means everything. And at the end of the day, I want everybody to go out there, chase their goals, chase your dreams. I wanted to actually post this on my IG story, but I'm like, you know what? Let me make a YouTube video about it, because it's kind of better. I could just go ahead and just go off on YouTube. So hope you're still here. Hey, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. You feel me? But no, man, I just want to help motivate, man, because at the end of the day, all of us, we need motivation. We need a push, right? Once we get that push and you're motivated and you have that person there to speak to you, like I'm speaking to this camera, I'm probably looking crazy, but it's all good. Because I hope one of these videos that I'm posting could touch one person. If I do that, then it's up. Right here, we got our BCAAs, EAAs. We got our pre-workout, and I mixed that creatine in that pre-workout. It's Creo Pump from Stacks. You know what I'm saying? Go shop. Y'all comment Stacks too. Let them know I'm out there showing support. So you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Put a young bull on. But now, real quick, man, shout out to everybody in the Stacks Army. Shout out to Big Eye, man, always showing love. Shout out to Mario out in Miami, Florida, man. Shout out to you, bro. Yeah, man, just this is going on a whole nother topic. But besides that, man, I just want to motivate people, man, at the end of the day. All right, so I kind of got cut off. But the reason why I want to motivate others, man, is because I know how it feels. You know what I mean? I know how it feels to be overweight, can't breathe, ain't sleeping right, or just feeling like sluggish, feeling lazy. I felt like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like that no more. Thank you, God, for letting me have the ability and the opportunity to wake up every day and hit this gym and be able to afford food and just be able to have a great job. And I'm just very blessed and I'm very thankful, man. And it's not always we're not always gonna have good days. We're not always gonna have bad days. You know what I mean? Just pray to God each and every day, man. Put God first. Everything is gonna fall in line at the end of the day, man. When God's in it, it's gonna work. Okay. And when, like I said, it's not always gonna be pretty. It's not always gonna be beautiful. But at the end of every storm, baby, we got a beautiful sunny day. You heard me. But listen, man, what keeps me motivated, keeps me grounded is the reason why I come to the gym every day is I don't want to have health issues. I want to be able to run around with my kids everywhere they want to go. I want to be able to outrun my son at the age of, 15 or whatever. I want to still be able to smoke him. I want to be able to train him how to box. I want to be able to, take my daughter out cheerleading or, what I'm saying, playing softball. I want to be able to just do anything and everything with my kids. If they want to go out here and do this, do that. Okay, hey, dad's coming. You know what I'm saying? Dad, I just want to be that fit dad that can do anything and everything. I want to be a superhero. You feel? I want to be I want to be out there flexing. You feel me? But nah, man. And also, I just want to be able to live clean, be healthy, just have the gym a part of my life. And every time I come to the gym, I work out hard every single time. I give it my 115%, because right when I leave here, I feel absolutely amazing. I go get a salad with some chicken breast and extra chicken, and I just feel good, man. I feel like I'm ready to accomplish anything and everything that's in my way for the day. You know what I mean? Um, that so if you don't know, I come to the gym at 5 o'clock right when it opens. So I get up like at 4:15, 4:30 the latest. Get here at the gym at 5 o'clock when it opens, and I bait my workout all the way to like 6:30, depending how work is. Sometimes, like I said, I'm out of town. Well, I didn't say it in this video, but I'm out of town sometimes, so I don't have access to this gym. But I'm always leaving like around 6:30 to make it to work on time. You know what I'm saying? Because it pays the bills. So thank God again, man. I have a pretty good job, but yeah, man. This went on a whole nother topic, but yeah, man. That's why I stay consistent. That's why, because I think about the future. I think about for what I want. So if you want a master's degree, if you want a doctor's degree, I think they call it a doctorate. You know what I'm saying? I don't. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no. You know what I'm saying? I ain't go to college and nothing like that. But listen, man. You don't have to go to college to be successful, but if college is what you want to do, go out there, man, and I salute to you. And I hope you get every single degree that you want. If you want to go be a freaking nurse, go do it. You want to be a firefighter, go do it. You want to be a boxer, go do it. You want to be a YouTuber, go do it. You want to be a esthetician, go do it. You want to be a cosmetologist, go do it. You want to go be a barber, go do it. You want to be anything you want to be, you can be it. You just got to believe it yourself, because before anybody can believe in you, you got to believe in you. You know what I'm saying? Nobody is going to believe in you more than you. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. You know what I'm saying? It's just like they can hand me. I had this camera in my room for months and didn't pick it up. Nobody's gonna help me pick it up for me if I'm not picking it up for myself. It's just like nobody's gonna want it more than you. That's what I'm trying to say. So go in there. I was making sure I still record. I'm like, damn, well, I'm going off, man. Your boy spit. But yeah, man, I just pray everybody stays on the right track, man. Stays laser focused, sniper gang, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that y'all on the right track. And if you can't get to where you want to be immediately, work in an environment, excuse me, or do things that is going to get you closer to where you want to be. You know what I mean? Surround yourself around people that that you inspire or you aspire to be, something like that. I ain't go to college, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just hang around people, hang around those that you want to be like. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, you are who you surround yourself by. I went to Louis Vuitton. I went to go buy my first messenger bag. Spin the bag, man. I got treated like I was someone. That feeling right there is hard, bro. They came with a platter with Perrier water. I mean, Perrier is $1 and something at the store, right? $2 at the most, $3 at the most. Came with Perrier. Hey, sir, would you like? I'm like, damn. This ain't no Family Dollar, boy. This ain't no your Burlington, boy. This ain't Marshalls or none of that. LV, yeah, it's LV. You feel me? But no, it just feels so good, and I wanna surround myself around things like that, because that's what motivated me too. I went to today. I want to go to Uptown Joey's. If you know about Uptown Joey's, big fancy joint, steak. You know what I'm saying? Lobster, shrimp, big top notch. I don't really like seafood like that, but you feel me? I'm gonna pull up like I like it. You feel me? But listen, man, I'm done with all this talking. I'm glad I got to vent with y'all. Y'all have a great day. This is some short, some light to post on YouTube, and just to help y'all, you know, that y'all not alone at the end of the day. None of us feel motivated at the end of the day. Some of us feel not disciplined at the end of the day, but we have to be. You know what I mean? That's gonna get us where we need to be. And say if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, or y'all want to, chop it up. Y'all want to come to the gym together, man. Y'all in H-Town, you feel me? Just hit my line, man. Raymond HTX, Raymon HTX, just like the YouTube. I'm down to chop it up. We can go down to the park, you know what I'm saying? Run, do whatever it is, man. Holla at me if you need a word, you know what I'm saying? Chirp me, man. I'm on the other side of this line, you feel me? But listen, man, I hope y'all have a great and blessed day. Remember, keep chasing those dreams. Keep doing what it is that you want to do. You know what I mean? If you ain't there yet, keep doing what it is what you gotta do to get where you want to, what you want to do. You feel me? Y'all know what I'm trying to say, man. But I'm gonna go get these gains and I'm gonna go ahead and kill this pre-workout. Oh no, this is pre-workout. Yeah, it's pre-workout and creatine. So cheers, man. If y'all on the other side working. Oh, this is not the one I wanted to show. My bad. My bad. The one right here. Say, man, Stacks Army. Go get y'all Stacks ups. You feel me? We got the BCAAs in this one. That one's for after our workout. But yeah, man, we in there. This is from Frontline. Stacks used to promote this, but he's no longer with them. So whatever. Say, man, I'm not trying to hype this up. Sorry, before I go, Stacks has some really good flavors when it comes to pre-workout and Crea Pump. I mixed them both in this joint. Bussin', you heard me? And also, that BCAA, fire, you heard me? I'm going to get in this gym. Remember, a gallon or two a day keeps the doctor away. Stay swole, stay smart, stay getting it, stay blessed. We up, baby. Whoa. It's not a gang sign, by the way. We living. That's what that stands for. Turn up. Let's get it. He the one, but still ain't forcing. Trying to put off in them Porsches. Ain't no Porsches. Give me no fortune. Ain't about the fame that ain't never been. I be hustling.